dear students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. You are watching the YouTube channel of Kottayam Don Bosco College. I am Ranier, Assistant Professor, Postgraduate Department of English. In this lecture series, I am dealing the paper Language Skills, which is a General English paper for first semester degree students of Kerala University. In this lecture, I am discussing the first lesson of third module, that is podcasting. So, podcasting is a way of distributing audio or files through internet. The word podcasting is actually a portmanteau word of iPod and broadcasting. So, by combining iPod and broadcasting, we got the word podcasting. It is an audio or video broadcast that is distributed over the internet. It usually has a format similar to a radio or television show. Since only a few pieces of equipment are required to record a podcast and the internet is used as the distribution medium, it is easy for anyone to create and distribute thoughts and opinions to the world. So the podcast has to sound natural and one has to use a conversational tone for the podcast to sound interesting. It is very easy for anyone to create, that is its specialty. And usually, podcast is an episodic series of digital audio files that a user can download to a personal device. So, when you prepare a podcast, keep it concise and simple. Now, let's see how to prepare a podcast. So, what are the different steps to start a podcast? There are actually 4 major steps to start a podcast: planning, preparation, then recording and editing, and also launching. First stage is planning. In this stage, you have to choose a topic first. Your podcast should be focused on a particular topic. The second one is choose a name. So choose a suitable name for your podcast. It can be descriptive or in 1 or 2 words. So your title should be associated with your topic. Then the show format, that is also an important thing. Show format, you can decide the length of your podcast. So it can be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, etc. And the length of your podcast, it is decided by you yourself. Then the style of your podcast also depends on your matter. It can be in the form of interview or solo shows. So this is the first stage of planning. Second one is preparation. So second stage of making a podcast is preparation. In this stage, you have to create cover art. This cover art can be the image you share on your show. So what is your cover? That is cover art. The next thing you have to do is you should get an intro. This intro can be a musical jingle. Then you have to prepare the matter. Next stage is recording and editing. So you must take care of your audio, music and matter which you are going to air. So record it and edit it with standard software. So there are a lot of softwares are available nowadays. You can also use closing musical jingle, which is also known as outro music. So this stage, recording and editing, is an important stage of podcast making. And the final stage is launching. You can upload your podcast episodes through internet. It should be in the MP3 file format. And you have to add the episode title, description of your podcast, summary, publishing date, etc. So these are the different stages of preparing a podcast. Now let's take a show outline. So here I am giving a show outline, and as per this outline, the opening, you have to add an opening. The opening shall be a musical jingle. Then your podcast must have an introduction. It is a monologue style introduction about the podcast and what you intend to talk about on your show. So, introduction should be precise. So, what are you intended to air? That is introduction. Then you can add an interlude there. Interlude can be a musical or a sound effect. Then topic 1, you can introduce the topic, and in the first topic you can talk for 3 minutes. Then again you can place an interlude. In such an interlude you can say we are going to move on and talk about next topic. Then you can add topic 2 and topic 3 like this, and after that you can add closing remarks. You can thank the audience, guests, and what will be on the next show. And you can end your podcast with a closing musical jingle. So, my dear students, I hope you understood how to prepare a podcast. So, here I am attaching a sample podcast script, which is the script is in a conversational form. So, the podcast is in a conversational form. Please go through the script, and here I am attaching an assignment question. Try to answer it and send me through WhatsApp. So, I am concluding today. Thank you for listening. Have a nice time.